In this video we'll take a look at adding a plane at an angle. In order to create this curved groove at a 25-degree angle, we know the radius is 16. It is right along the edge at the midpoint. And if we sketch a circle, we can cut, and we would have to cut in both directions. But adding the plane, you have to take into account that what edge you are referencing. So in this case, when we go to add the plane, since this edge, we want it to be perpendicular to this edge, we really have to take 25 and add 90 to get the angle that we are looking for. Remember, when you sketch on a plane or a face, you cut perpendicular to that face. So that is the need to set this angle at 115. 25 plus 90. From there, it's sketching a circle and cutting it all the way through. So we've gotten to this point, or I've gotten to this point, and now we want to add a plane. A plane at an angle. And it is asking you to select an edge. And when I select this edge, you can manually type this in, and I find that sometimes it goes the opposite direction of what you are intending. But if you just turn this plane manually, it at least gets you in the right direction. Because if I go the other way, I'm looking at a negative angle, which you could do the inverse. You could do 25 minus 90 and get 65. I prefer to work in positive. You can manually type this in the spin box as well. 90 plus 25 to get that angle that you are looking for. From here, all you need to do is sketch on the plane. And you're sketching a circle. You have a midpoint. I'm sketching a circle, so I need a diameter. And you can't figure this out. I mean, it's 16 times 2 because you're given the radius. 32-degree diameter. When you go to push-pull, you will need to cut in both directions. Direction 1, now you have to tell it that I want it to go 2 sides. You could do symmetrical. It will take it both sides. You just really need to cut all the way through the material. And hit OK. So adding a plane at an angle. The edge that you are referencing, and just remember that you are going to be cutting perpendicular to the plane that you sketch on.